Today, we will show you how to install your bicycle on a Tacx wheel-on trainer using the Tacx E-Thru axle. You will need your bicycle, your Tacx wheel-on trainer, an E-Thru axle, and the included axle spacers to complete this process. You will need to know your axle length and the thread type used for your specific bicycle. For this video, we are using a bike with a through axle length of 142 by 12 with the medium thread. First, remove the axle from your bicycle. Next, remove the end nut from the E-Thru axle adapter and the included spacers. We will install one of the spacers on the non-drive side for this bicycle setup. Slide the spacer onto your E-Thru axle adapter. Slide the through axle adapter into the bicycle frame and wheel, then thread into the bicycle frame. Now tighten the axle using your 15mm wrench. Make sure not to over-tighten. Place the bicycle in the trainer and make sure the wheel is centered in the roller. You can use the frame fixation bolt to adjust the position of your bicycle in the trainer. Now lock your bike in place using the locking lever. The E-Thru axle will need to use the included spacer in place of the position bolt lock ring if you are using part numbers 010-13038-03 or 010-1308-06. First, remove the position bolt. Now remove the lock ring knob from the position bolt. Install the spacer ring needed for your bicycle onto the position bolt. Reinstall the position bolt back into the trainer frame. Finally, you can lock your bicycle into the trainer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.